Hello, we are on lesson 67 today. Pull out lesson 67, we'll get started. Write a number sentence for the story. Write the answer with a label. So the story goes like this. 4 children voted for choice number 1. 7 children voted for choice number 3. Okay, I'm going to pull out some number words here. 7 children voted for choice number 3. And 3 children voted for choice number 2. Draw a graph to show how many children voted for each choice and how many voted all together. So over here on our graph, it says choices 1, 2, and 3. So let's start graphing. It says 4 children voted for choice number 1. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 children voted for choice number 3. Notice they didn't do these in order, so pay attention to which ones you're filling in. 7 for choice number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 3 children voted for choice number 2. 1, 2, 3. Draw a graph. How many children voted all together? Now, what does all together ask us to do? All together means put them all together, right? Add them up. So we have 4 kids plus 7 kids plus 3 kids equals 4 plus 7 is 11, plus 3 more is 12, 13, 14. 14 what? Go back to the question. How many children? There's our label. That's what they're asking about. 14 children. Add 54 cents plus 31 cents. So put it in the graph. Dimes and pennies. If we're making 54 cents, we have 5 dimes, 5 tens, and 4 ones. If we're making 31 cents, we have 3 tens and 1 penny. Add them up. Pennies equal 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 85. Make sure you get your money symbols on there. 85 cents. Must have that. 27 is 2 tens and 7 ones. 52 is 5 tens and 2 ones. Now make sure you are taking notes on this page, guys. I should have mentioned that earlier, but you do need to take notes on this page so it can help you out on side B. Pennies, we have 7 plus 2 pennies. That's 9. We always start on the right-hand side when we're adding or subtracting. Dimes, 2 plus 5 is 7. We have 79 cents. Very good. Divide each shape into 4 equal parts. Color 1/4, color 2/4, color 3/4. I already put my kids' crayons away, so I'm just going to color with the pen I have. So divide into 4 equal parts. So squares we can divide a ton of different ways. As long as they're equal, then we're good. So there's 4 equal parts on the square. Rectangle, we'll do the same way. And circle, we'll do the same way. Why not? Okay, so there's 4 equal parts on each. If I had a triangle, I could not do it this way. Triangles are a little different. If it's fractions, that means that the parts have to be equal size. Divide, color 1/4. So 1 out of 4 is what that means. 1, the line in the middle means out of. And the number on the bottom is how many pieces you divided it into. So 1 out of 4, 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 out of 4, So we have 4. We're going to color 1, 2 out of 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 out of 4. 1, 2, 3 out of 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? It's light outside. Write the digital time. The reason they said it's light outside is because they want to know, after we figure this out, is it AM or PM? Mrs. Musselman always has a hard time with this one, so I hope I get it right when I'm teaching it to you. Okay, so both the hands are straight up on the 12, right? So the hour is 12. The minute is not 12. Remember, up here it's 0 or o'clock. Over here it's 15. Down here it's 30. Over here it's 45. So it's 12 o'clock. And Miss Musselman always has a hard time remembering if, so it's light outside, this means it's 12 o'clock noon, like lunchtime, right? And I'm pretty sure that is PM. And in the middle of the night at midnight, 12 o'clock, that is 12 a.m. Fill in the missing numbers. Use the fewest number of pennies possible. So, I'm sorry, you can hear my microwave beeping. I put a cup of tea and then I sat down here to record. 6 dimes, 19 pennies. So we need the fewest number of pennies possible. We have 19 pennies here. So we can trade a group of 10 for a dime, right? So we're going to take this group of 10, because 19 is 10 plus 9. We're going to take this group of 10 and we're going to add on a dime. So now there's 7 dimes and 9 pennies. 7 dimes, 9 pennies. So we took 10 pennies and we traded it for 1 dime and added the dime onto this pile. So 7 dimes plus 9 pennies is 7 tens and 9 ones. Kind of like up here, 7 tens and 9 ones. 7 tens, 9 ones. 79 cents. Find the answers. Okay, so there's a few different ways we can do when we're adding 10. And don't forget to check your signs, because they might do this to the U on the other side where they don't have it the same in everyone. They might switch them up a little bit. So we can take 10 plus 37 and we can set it up like this for an addition problem. We can add side to side, where we add 0 plus 7, add the 1s and get 7, and then add the 10s and get 4. Or we can take this group of 10 and put it on the 10s column there and make the 3 a 4 and the 7 stays the same. Okay, let's do it the same way, except we're going to subtract 10 this time. We can set it up any different way, or we can take a group of 10 away from the 10s column over here. So the 3, we take away a group of 10 and it becomes, instead of 30, it becomes 20 with a 4 after it. Okay, do it again. Take a group of 10 away from the 10s column over here. Instead of 60, it becomes 50. We took away 1 and the 2 stays the same. Okay, the other way you can do it, if you like it this way, is to just set it up like that and do 2 take away 0 and 6 take away 1. It's totally up to you. You'll get the same answer either way. If you have any questions, let me know, and have a great weekend.